Hi, welcome to this tutorial of the 3D Cityplanner on how to create prefabs. With these objects, you can save a lot of time. You can create it with these simple steps in just a few minutes. First, we need to create the object that you want to turn into a prefab. Select a new feature to draw and create the shape that you want to use. You can also change the calculation properties of the object if needed. After the prefab is drawn, we can add it to our library. Press the Create Prefab button in the object information after selecting the newly drawn feature. Enter a name and save it. Please note that it is saved with its current orientation on the grid, so ensure your object is aligned correctly. If you want to change the shape or properties of your 3D model, you can always overwrite it by saving it again with the same name. Now we can add the prefab to the project. Select the object you want to add from your library and place it in your project. Keep in mind that it will be placed on the grid the same way it was placed when creating it. To place it on a different orientation, realign your grid beforehand. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can create and use prefabs for all of your projects in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more info, have a look at our help pages, YouTube channel, website, or send us an email.